Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Blackboard Learn, which is another learning management system. It's the original Blackboard learning management system. Now they have Blackboard Ultra. I did make another video showing you how to use Blackboard Ultra. You can see I'm on the home page for Blackboard Learn. It shows the name of the course, important information. Home page is here. If you want to go back, you just click home page, start your course information. Do you need help? It just depends on how your professor has organized the course. The tabs may be different. Announcements, if you click announcements, you can see it takes you to a page with announcements. Weekly learning units, you can see all of the weekly folders. Week 1, Week 2, Week 3. If you click the weekly folders, you will see the information for that week, such as a PowerPoint, maybe a lecture recording, assignments, maybe a quiz or an exam, study guides, quizzes, grades. If you click grades, it will show you all of your grades. You can see what each assignment is out of. So 20 points, 5 points, and then you'll see a total, and you can calculate your percentage in the course. Discussions, there aren't any discussions right now, but if there were some, they would be on this page. Groups, there aren't any groups, but if you were part of a group, it would be displayed on that page. Email, you can see it's very easy to send an email. You can send an email to the students in your course, to any teaching assistants that are part of the course, to the professor. And then one of the most important aspects of Blackboard Learn is Blackboard Help. So you can see here common issues, just questions that have been asked. Find more help. You can click there if you have additional questions. Contact your institution's support desk. So that takes you to this page, and you can see that you just type the university that you go to and then you can obtain support. Your school technical support department should be able to help you with Blackboard. And I think that is it. The most important thing to do is make sure you read everything. You want to make sure when you open your course for the first time, you read your syllabus. If there's welcome information, you want to read that. If there's a tab entitled Start Here, you want to read all of that information. Do you need help? Make sure you read everything, maybe take notes, and you know how to locate everything. So if there's a quiz, you know that it would be located in the quiz tab, you know how to find your grades, and most importantly, ask questions if you don't know about something. Ask your professor, contact technical support.